Hi there, Mary Hurd here. RentSmart Property Management is a full-service residential real estate management and leasing company offering investors an honest, efficient, and professional approach in managing residential income properties. We're located in beautiful Missoula, Montana, and we service the city of Missoula and the immediate surrounding areas. We manage some of the finest rentals in Missoula. We align easily with the Missoula real estate investor who shares our mindset that all revenue is generated by the resident, without which no one would earn a return. With this fundamental approach to management, everything else falls into place. Systems so nothing falls through the cracks, technology to provide efficiency and convenience, and most importantly, boutique-like responsiveness to develop trust and loyalty with our valued residents. Our ideal investors take pride in their investment and are motivated to keep the property in a well-maintained state of condition. They embrace our philosophy that well-maintained properties in desirable neighborhoods attract the highest quality residents, their properties rent out quicker, and for a greater return. RentSmart Property Management is more like a boutique and less like a box store. We maintain a small portfolio to ensure our clients and customers receive exceptional service. As a RentSmart client or customer, you can expect to communicate directly with the owners of the company. No more automated phone trees or trying to track the right person down to answer your questions. We can easily be reached by phone, text, or email. If you're a property owner considering a change in property management services or a renter who is looking for a place to call home, you can be assured that we will work hard to deliver quality services with a personal touch tailored to your needs. It's our goal to make renting in Missoula a pleasant experience for both of our clients and customers. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you.